Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Samaya, also known as Slaymiyayt, and today I'm super excited because I'm officially doing my first real makeup tutorial. I did a few before, but they weren't great, to be honest. But this one, I like this one. So first I just put in my money earrings that I got from the beauty supply store for $2. Isn't that super ironic? Save money, but it costs none. Now I'm just doing my edges with some Eco Styler, and then I went over it with a random edge control. Now I'm just wiping my face down with some micellar water that I got from Ross for $4. If you don't know by now, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all them places have really good, supplies for cheap. And now I'm just going to be doing my brows. Now, I have no brows. My brows are so skinny. They're so skinny. So I'm just doing my best to make them look full. And I'm just tracing the shape of my actual hairs. And then just filling it in. For the back, I'm using a darker, smoother pencil. I think this one is by Kiss. And then for the front part, where it's supposed to look more natural, more faded, I'm using a Maybelline pencil right here. I'm going to try to put the products in the description box. If I forget, somebody please comment and remind me, because I hate when people forget, and I know I am. So yeah, just doing my brows, nothing too crazy. I like to fill my brows in pretty messy because I know I'm just going to clean it up with the concealer. So I'm taking ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. Again, if you want to know the color and stuff, please check in the description box. If it's not there, I forgot. Somebody remind me. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up my brows, making sure, the tail is super sharp. And and then blending it out. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the top area, but just with the leftover product that's on my brush. Because sometimes when I'm doing my foundation, there's some bare skin out above my eyebrow when I don't, put it on top. So I just started doing this, and it just made my life a whole lot easier. So yeah. So now I'm taking this super light concealer that I got from the beauty supply store on sale to prime my eyelids. To be honest, as you can see, it kind of just blended away, so I had to go in with another layer. I would definitely use a thicker concealer to do this, but it was fine. So now I'm using this palette that I got from the beauty supply. I got everything from the beauty supply, y'all. And I'm just taking a warm orangey color that's usually in every palette, just as I don't want to say a transition shade because it's a little dark, but maybe a little starter shade, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm dipping into the deeper orange, the deeper brown, to just deepen I said that 3 times, just really to deepen it up, to make it a little bit more cool. And then I'm using that same concealer to cut my crease. Again, I would use a thicker concealer because this one was a little bit too watery for, the job that needed to be done for me. So it kind of took me a while to get my cut crease how I liked it. But it was cool or whatever. Just use what you can. And then I'm using this e.l.f. liquid gold money color, because I forgot to mention that my earrings inspired this look. So it just it reminds me of like dirty money. I don't know why I want to say that, but yeah. And then I'm just using a brush to get in the small parts, and I'm gonna use this as a base for the glitter that I'm going to be putting on next. And there's the glitter. It's the NYX one, the bronzy looking one, and I just thought it was so pretty on top of this money green color. I don't know, like it just did something for me when I tried it out on my hand, and I really liked it. I really feel like I look like money, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just lining my eyes, drawing a line up on there. I still struggle with making lines, y'all, because this stuff is hard. Like, I really hold my breath and all that. This makeup is difficult, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I mean, it got on there. Oh my gosh. I used this e.l.f. primer to illuminate my face, and then I tried this foundation, y'all. It was nothing wrong with the foundation. It was just like 2 shades lighter than me. Like, that's when I realized that wasn't gonna work. So I had to start all over. I decided to use my LA Girl foundation, the high definition one, and I really like this foundation. It's on the cheaper side, but it doesn't wear cheap. Like, it really looks flawless. Y'all gonna see. It does take time to kind of settle into your skin. It does look masky at first, but once it settles into your skin and you set it and everything, it's super nice. And then I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, the same one I used on my brows to conceal. I could have went a shade lighter. Maybe I'll use the foundation that I put on my whole face next time for under my eyes. But yeah, it was cool or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm taking this contour palette and just using the cream to give me my cheekbones back because they got snatched with the foundation. And then I'm using Airspun to set everything. I don't like to bake too long because it gives me a white cast, and I'm not white and I don't like to look white if I'm not white. OMG. All right, anyways, I am just dusting off all the powder on my face, and now I'm finishing up the eyes. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys that my clip of me putting on my lashes is just gone. But yeah, I just plopped those on right quick. Contouring my nose, blending it out, highlighted my face with the It's My Ray Ray palette, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I'm just not used to doing makeup tutorials. But I'm wiping all that foundation off my lips and using just like a regular brown lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm going to be using Supreme Cosmetics Go Getter Gloss in the shade Go Getter. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. This look is so cute. Like, I really did feel like money. If you want to see my pictures, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's slaymiyayt, just with a 1 after it. Somebody won't give up the name slaymiyayt, whatever. But slaymiyayt1, check me out. Check me out on TikTok too, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you liked it.